Hello students. Now we have completed the reading and explanation of lesson number 9 from a railway carriage. Now today we go to exercise. Listen and repeat these words. Which, ditch, hitch, battle, cattle, rattle, plane, rain, slain, road, load, toad. Now from word power, choose from brackets and write one word for the following phrases. You have to choose the one word for the following. The first one is, a woman who practices black magic is a witch. One who has magic powers is a fairy. To look at something for a very short time is glimpse. And to move with difficulty using the hands is scramble. A field covered with the grass is a meadow. Now B, fill in the blanks using the words given within bracket. Here some words are already given to you. With the help of these words you fill this. Sonu and Divya were at the station. The train arrived. There were a lot of people on the platform. The porters were carrying luggage. Some people were in the waiting room. They were waiting for their station. They were waiting for their train. Now go to the comprehension. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by fly as thick as driving rain? So answer is, the lines means that just like heavy rain falls so quickly that it is difficult to distinguish one drop from another, the speeding train also passes by the scenery so quickly. Question number 2. What do you understand by the following lines? Here is a child who clambers and scramble. Answer is, we understand by the following lines that a boy who is collecting services hardily. Question number 3. Find out rhyming words in the poem. So the rhyming words of that poem is witches, ditches, battle, cattle, plane, rain, I, by, scrambles, brambles, gazes, daisies, road, load, and river, ever. Question number 4. Which lines of the poem do you like most and why? So I like the line that all through the meadows and horses and cattle, because in this line it shows the natural beauty. Question number 5. Write a brief summary of the poem. So the summary of that poem is, the poem gives us a message that the railway journey is a source of happiness, as it provides a chance to enjoy the natural beauty. In this poem, the poet sees the beauty of the area. He also sees bridges, houses, meadows, horses, and a boy who is collecting services hardily. So students, now today we have completed all the exercise of lesson number 9. To see the answer of these questions, you tap documentary study yourself below your video and see the answers of these questions.